Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, hit to like, a comment. Happy Sunday, happy 10:06. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to sort of today. So before we get to Musa, guys, let's start with Anhle. I just want to say a huge congratulations to Anhle. She's received her first pay partnership deal. Guys, when you're with Makhumalo, nothing it is impossible. Everything is possible, guys. You can see next to her there's a light. No wonder why Musamsala is trying so hard to punish Makhumalo so that Makhumalo can be on his side. Now it makes sense. Her ancestors are just, you know what, her ancestors are working overtime. So guys, let's get home. Mpumelelo, guys, is telling people to mind their own business after what happened yesterday. For those who don't know, yesterday it was Mhlopekazi's birthday. No one saw it coming. We saw Mpumelelo and Vuyokazi. They were celebrating Mhlopekazi's birthday, and this is what Mpumelelo posted on his Instagram account. People have been asking a lot of questions. What is going on between him and Vuyokazi, guys? And this is what he posted on his Instagram account. She was pregnant, but you don't see a baby. Don't ask. The finger no longer has a ring. Don't ask. She is no longer catching that 5 o'clock bus. Don't ask. She's living in town. Now she's back home. Don't ask. He was in varsity. Now you see him in the hood. Don't ask. So anyway, guys, so he went on to say, life, it is unpredictable. No one plans to fail. This is very important. Nobody owes you any explanation about their life. Mind your own business. So Mpumelelo is telling you guys to mind your business, because a lot of people have been asking what is going on between you and Vuyokazi. Are you back together? Guys, leave them alone. At least they are do co-parenting. We should be happy. Some people are not happy, and I don't understand what is wrong with them. So anyway, guys, let's get to Ndlondlo Yama Instagram quote. Oh, Musamsaleko, guys. So we all know that when you are not on Musamsaleko's side, you will never get it posted lapana on Instagram. Yesterday on Friday, he started with Macele. He was talking about love, unconditional love. Yesterday he posted Mangwabe. Today he posted Umayeni, guys, and people now are saying, what is going on? After posting all his 3 wives, he went on again to say, Indoda ithandwa la ihlonishwa khona, meaning that a man love where he's respected. So if you are not respecting him, trust me and believe he's not gonna take you serious. So we all know that Makhumalo and Musamsaleko, they are not in good terms. According to Musamsaleko, he's telling us so good here, Makhumalo, she's very disrespectful. So Makhumalo, she's not gonna be posted. One thing about Makhumalo, she's the girl that she thinks. So today she posted her picture on her Instagram account, and people are saying, so what is going on between Musamsaleko, guys? Musamsaleko has posted Mangwabe, Macele, and Mayena. Obviously, when it comes to Samke, he said that they have not yet made it officially, so we do understand. But when it comes to Makhumalo, guys, Makhumalo and Anhle, they're going to have a not gonna see them on Musamsaleko's Instagram because they don't respect him. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.